lovelies, so welcome back to my channel today. So what am I doing today? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a review on the Stansout sponge. If you are following me on Instagram, I shared this on my stories yesterday when I showed you I finally found the Stansout sponge. I bought mine from Amazon, and this sponge is been in lot of recent videos of Tati Westbrook. If you don't know, she's one of the biggest YouTuber beauty influencers on YouTube. You need to check out your channel. I will link it in the description box below. So yeah, she's been raving about this sponge a lot, and the idea you can use this without damping it is very interesting. So I'm just going to test this sponge out for you on camera, and also just going to give you guys a look, but mainly it's going to be a review about this sponge. So let's just begin. Basically what I'm going to do is, because I'm testing out a new sponge, I'm not going to test out a new foundation. I have a CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation here, but I don't want to try it today, like two new things, because then I won't be able to figure out if this is wrong or this is wrong. So I'm going with my Maquillage today, because you all know how much I'm loving this foundation, and it's absolutely amazing, full coverage. Again, it's kind of like matte finish, but it gives you more of a matte, like a dewy matte finish, so it's not very matte. But before that, we are going to prep my skin. So most of the time I'm going to do this video fast forward kind of thing, and where I need to, but I'm actually using the Stansout sponge, I will actually speak to you guys and let you know what do I think, and I also will give you my final thought at the end of the video as well. So just bear with me. I'm just gonna get my stuff ready for my skincare and everything, and we will begin. Going to go with my foundation now, and for the foundation I am going to use my Maquillage, and I'm also going to add a few Versali Skin Tune drops in my foundation. So I'm just going to mix these two things together. This is the trick I've recently seen on Nikki Tutorials video, and she was saying it's super good when you do that. You're like, literally it looks like you have no pores whatsoever, so you just only need to add a couple of drops. So I'm just going to add 2 or 3 drops, and then I'm just going to mix this mixture in my dish. I'm just going to use a smaller brush or something. I'm just going to apply this, whatever is on my brush, all over. And now I'm just going to go with the bad boy. So I have a very high hopes, because I've been watching this a lot on Tati's channel, and even though I received the sponge yesterday, what did I do? I dampened the sponge yesterday, but I didn't use it. And today I just thought I'm just gonna go ahead and not damp it, and just go ahead and use it and see what happens. Okay. My first reaction is it's very soft, and you can really manipulate this sponge to your needs, because some sponges are not as flexible, so you can't really go into that deep corners or edges, but this you can really manipulate it. nice actually. I'm really liking the fact. If you look at the sponge itself, I'll try to zoom the picture as much as possible. It has a very tiny holes, which is helping for the product. Like the product is actually more on my face than in my sponge. Like it's not soaking a lot of product, which is amazing. I'm actually very surprised like how much I'm loving this sponge, because I'm a total beauty blender girl and I really do not like using anything else apart from my beauty blender or even my brushes. I can sometimes still try brush, but with sponge I'm very fussy. But this is, oh my god, this is revolutionary. Can you guys see? Like, oh my god. Okay, I'm going with my second layer, but I can't see my pores at all. This is so good. Okay, the foundation is very good anyway, so foundation is super good, but the finish is unbelievable. It's very nice. I'm really loving this. Okay, this is definitely my favorite right now. I don't know if it could be my dupe, or it will stop me using my beauty blender like totally. I don't know about that right now, but seriously, oh wow. I am literally like fine-tuned, like somebody face-tuned my face. I cannot see any pores anywhere. This is amazing. Just have to, and you know what guys, cost wise it's gonna cost you exactly same as a beauty blender. So, and I don't think so you need to dampen it even on like first time you will use it. It's doing a very good job for me, and I didn't damp the sponge. I'm going straight with the dry one. Okay guys, so this is how my face is looking like after the both applications. I applied 2 layers of foundation and it's literally making my face look super face tuned. Like I have nothing wrong with my face, no imperfections, nothing. Like it has gave me a really nice, like really nice, but like a soft blur all over my face. Like I am so surprised right now. Okay guys, so I had my foundation on for nearly 20 minutes, went down, made a coffee, had some snack, and it hasn't budged at all. Like we have something extremely revolutionary in our hands. Oh my god, like literally, oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm just going to finish off rest of my makeup and then I'll show you right at the end how the look is turned out and what my final thoughts are about this sponge. finished doing the whole look, and I just cannot tell you enough like how much I am loving this sponge. This Stansout sponge turned out to be a great treasure. I cannot, like, I really can believe why Tati is raving about this product so much, because it does work. It is making my whole makeup look super airbrushed. Like, I am going to make the intro in natural light so you can see how good my makeup is looking today. And I actually did most of my makeup apart from the eyes and of course the lips. I only used this sponge to do everything: baking, blending, foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, everything. I just only use this one tool to finish off my whole face. Like, I am so surprised by this. It's not many times when I naturally lose for words, because if the product is good, I will tell you the product is good, go get it, it's definitely worth it. If the product is bad, I'll tell you it's not worth it, don't get it, and just don't waste your money. And if it doesn't work for me, even I will tell you it doesn't work for me and my skin type. But today is a moment when I'm loose for words because I'm so overwhelmed by this. This is such a good tool. I am absolutely in love with it. It cost me $26 on Amazon, which is the same price as buying a beauty blender, but oh my god, like, sometimes with beauty blenders I still use other brushes and all that, but this particular thing I didn't go for anything else. I just did whole face, just one tool. It's amazing product, guys, seriously. I'll put the direct link, the Amazon link, in the description box below, so if you are interested to buy it, you can just click on the link and buy it from Amazon. I don't know any other places where it's available. I actually searched it on Google, like, where can I purchase from, and the first link came up was Amazon, so that's why I used Amazon. And because I'm a Prime member, the shipping was free, and it came pretty early. It came in like a day or so, which is pretty good. So I am so into this now. I can highly recommend this. If you are in the market looking for something not other than beauty blender, then this could be your next treasure. So do check their website out. I'll try to find their website link as well and put it in the description box below. And just want to say thank you so much always. Like, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'll post a video you will get a notification. And if you are already subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell still, because if you don't, you won't know when I'm posting a new video. And once again, thank you so much for watching and joining my family. I love you all. Take care. Bye, guys.